the power of running. Have you ever wondered why so many people start their a day with a quick run? Rain or shine, running may look simple, just you and your shoes and watch, but it's actually one of the most powerful ways to improve our body and mind. Today, I'll talk about what running is, why it's matter, and how you can start doing it in the right way. Running is a form of aerobic exercise where you move as the faster you pace than you're walking. And as activity that strengthens your heart, lungs, and muscles, and you don't even go to the gym to do it. Just a safe space and motivation. Running is not only good for your body and also great for your mind. Studies show that regular running is reduce stress, improve focus, and even make you happier by releasing endorphins, also known as happy hormones. Plus, it helps prevent disease like obesity, diabetes, and heart problems. Start a small run for 10 minutes or 5K per day. Just on your own space, own pace, or just a slow run that comfortable. Wear your comfortable shoes, singlet, t-shirt, and watch and stretch before and after. Gradually increase your time or distance. The key is consistency, not the speed. Find a friend or join a running club and to stay motivated and make it fun. To sum it up, running is more than just an exercise. It's a simple habit that builds a stronger body and clear mind. So next time you feel stressed, tired, or unmotivated, lace up your shoes and take a first step. Remember, you don't have to be fast. Just have to start running with your own pace.